Ow, son of a bitch. I burnt my fingers. But it's like, so much of like meditation is about shutting off our conscious mind and sort of just becoming connected to the life, connected to the universe. And it's like, that's the thing. So when we're in nature, I'm just wrapping up my cord. When we're in nature and out and about, the reason it's so relaxing is because we're taking in everything. We're checking everything out. You know, we don't have the sounds or the, I guess, the pressures. I'm just trying to find the path because we're off the beaten track now.